You are heartily welcome to my LED TV repair channel. Now today I am going to teach you how to change the display panel in Sony TV. We can change it by using easy method. It is an scratch Sony TV. We need to change its display. To change its display we need to add more things. They are LVDS cable and another is LVDS conversion board. We need to fit it carefully. First of all, open the display panel. Ticon board of old display panel can be used in new, so it should be kept safely. Back wrapper of new panel should be thrown. As if it is not thrown, the display looks like rainbow color. LVDS conversion board. It should be fit orderly. If it is fit in orderly, it gives us 12 volt short. For old Ticon, we need to give 12 volt and ground volt. We need to connect pin number 2 and 3 SCL and SDA in conversion board. We need to connect them in old display panel. Now make connection. Then switch on the TV. When TV is switched on, we can see LVDS mapping problem. We can easily solve this problem too. We have to give 3.3 volt in pin number 22 of conversion board from main board. Again switch on the TV. Now your TV is perfect. You can enjoy your TV. As we have changed display of our TV, you also can change your display. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like, comment and share. Also press the bell icon to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Namaste. Remain updated with me and my channel. Meet you next time with next video.